Sensex counting down to the open, and here we go. So the Nifty about 22 points lower, 30 lower, 39 lower, 40 lower. So it's a lower start, you'd have to say. Mid-cap index is doing better. It's absolutely flat. Bank Nifty also actually doing better for what it's worth. Bank Nifty actually flashed a little bit of green just now. Apart from Indices, SBI is the other big one. While the private sector large banking names have been struggling yesterday and this morning, SBI is trying to offer a counterweight. The market's still down about 20-odd points. Seems to be some selling in large cap IT and Reliance as well. We'll see how it goes, but it's a very quiet start to begin with, guys.
Well, Indices Bank is your top gainer. It's not a blockbuster move. It's a sedate 1% gain. But that's the top mover right now on the back of Rajiv Anand's appointment as the CEO. 1.5% up on Indices Bank. The other notable mover is Bharti Airtel. Remember, it reports numbers later today. Numbers come out post-market hours. Airtel Africa, which is about a quarter of the company's overall valuation and numbers, came out with a very good set of numbers led by tariff hikes in Nigeria. Bharti Airtel's India mobile business performance will be tracked very closely. Coal India, Jio Financial, Ultratech Cement, Eternal, NTPC, these are some of the stocks on the gainers list. On the way down, you've got some large cap IT names struggling a bit. So Infosys, Wipro, TCS down between 0.5% to 1%. M&M is down nearly 1%. You've got HUL, which is correcting after the big up moves, and lots of brokerages came through. Stock did well, but now it's seeing a bit of a profit booking. Axis Bank is weak in trade. And you've got Reliance Industries struggling. All in all, it's very weak. It's a sluggish start, very lackluster. You've got a little bit of a red coming through on the Nifty and the Sensex. Banks are underperforming a bit.
Well, I think a bit of a pause for breath after the kind of run that we saw yesterday is par for the course. We need to take out higher levels, and then, in fact, you'll feel a little bit more confident. But let's focus on a few stocks that are buzzing around. Oswald Pumps, I think they came out with a set of numbers. The street likes it. That stock is reacting positively. AB Capital and Ather Energy, both of them, they had a good run yesterday. They're seeing some kind of follow-through buying today. So both of them, initially, volumes are pretty okay. And both those two stocks were up. Oswald Pumps, yeah, that's reacting to its numbers. The other couple of stocks that are doing well is Sanofi. Pull up that stock. That's buzzing away. And Godfrey Phillips as well, as Mangalam told us, is smoking hot. I recall when Philip Morris came out with its set of numbers as well, we said the read-through could be that Godfrey Phillips could have yet again outperformed what the market did. And that seems to be the case. So that's opened up, gap up, 6% higher. PSP Projects. Yesterday we had highlighted the stock was down close to around 18% in pre-open, and there could possibly be a large trade in the offing. Well, in the second half of trade yesterday, we did see that the Adani Group went ahead and picked up that chunk in the stock. For the time being, the stock opens up with a gain of close to around 5% now that that large trade is out of the way. What's not doing well? Triveni Turbines reacting negatively to its numbers. So that stock is lower. TBO Tech, that's the other one that's reacting negatively to its numbers. And Bosch as well is down close to around 2.5%. Keep in mind, Bosch in the last 3 months has seen a very, very big run. It's coming for some profit taking in today's trading session. And because of this tariff worries and the talk surrounding it, we have a stock like Gokuldas Exports that continues to reel under pressure. I think Gokuldas Exports, Welspun Living, because of the kind of exposure that they have to the United States. India's talking tough, and rightly so. But it seems that these guys who have high amount of their exports out there, these stocks are a little under the weather today. But Indices Bank now is building on the gains, holding with a gain of around 2.5%.
Looking good. We should pull up Gokuldas. That's the stock that Nigel was just talking about. Some of these textile makers, exporter stocks, they are under pressure because of the kind of rhetoric that we've seen overnight as well. By the way, on the gaining side, look at New India Assurance, 4% gain coming through on that one. Team Lee is about 3%. So it's a little here and there. But otherwise, the market is largely flat to begin with.
is also one more stock you should watch. Down straight away 7% lower, very large volumes. Again, here it's an earnings miss. Revenues were down about 20%.
Absolutely. So a lot of individual counters in focus on the back of either news or earnings. Overall, market remains range-bound this Tuesday morning. Let's